my channel. Today I'll be making some organic baby food. This is my first time making it. I'm so excited. I always said before I had a baby, I want to make his food. I don't want to use the jars. So this is my first attempt. I have a baby bullet that I got. Also, I'll be following some yummy recipes from this organic cookbook. So let's get started. So what I first did was I rinsed off and chopped up the broccoli. Same thing with the carrots. So I tried to cut them no bigger than, what is this, about maybe an inch. And so first I'm going to start with my broccoli because I'm not going to mix it yet. We're just introducing foods to him, so we want to go ahead and do it separately, food-wise, just so that, he doesn't get, in case there's an allergy to it, we can know what it was that he ate. So I'm going to put all this broccoli, actually, that's okay. I'm going to put all this broccoli on here. I have trays, but I don't think it'll fit in the tray. So I'm going to go ahead and just sit it on top. And let's see if it all fits in there. And I'm going to go ahead, put the lid on. These last little pieces. Hopefully I didn't pack it too tight. And since it's really hard, a hard vegetable, I'm going to cook it on a 5. Just to make sure that it gets cooked all the way through. So this is the steamer part. So we're going to go ahead and set it on a 5. And when it beeps, we'll know that it's done. Okay, so the machine just went beep. So I think it's ready. So one way to check is if you take your fork, and it should feel pretty soft, which it does. So I think we're ready to move to the next part. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in our mixer. Yeah. So I'm going to use breast milk, but you can use water, or if your baby's formula fed, you can use formula. And it said the recipe called for about 1/4 cup, so I'm just going to slowly pour it in and then add more till I get to that consistency that I want. Since it's his first time having baby food, I want to make sure that it's not too thick. I'm going to mix it up and probably add a little more milk because it's a little thick for him. Alright, so I think that's about the texture that I want it to be. Nice and creamy and smooth, not too lumpy. Yep. So just to recap, I used a 1/2 stalk of broccoli and a little under 1/4 cup of breast milk. But again, it's up to you how much you want to use. So I'm just going to fill up these little cups about maybe halfway because he's not eating that much yet. And I can freeze. This should probably fill about maybe 2. Again, if it's too thick for your baby, you can always dilute it with breast milk or water or formula so that it's the texture or the consistency that your baby can tolerate. And for my baby, sometimes I'm learning if it's too thick, he'll gag. So hopefully he'll enjoy it. And I tried some. It tastes really good to have no seasoning. You know, just breast milk in it and pure broccoli. It tastes like really creamy and just like a pureed broccoli. Okay, so that's the broccoli. I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up so we can start the carrots next. So now we're gonna start making the carrots. So I'm gonna add some more water to the steamer because the water from when we do the broccoli is probably already cooked out. Now we're ready for the carrots. And I'm not even gonna try to use the trays because I think I have too many for the tray. So we're just gonna pile them on. And these carrots were skinned and, like I said earlier, cut. Probably, maybe, I tried to keep them an inch, but they may be a little longer than an inch, probably 2 inches. But it doesn't matter because I'm gonna puree it. And again, since it's a thick vegetable, a hard vegetable, I'm gonna do a 5, which is already on, so that it could get to the soft texture that we need it to be to puree it. So when it beeps, we'll know that it's ready. Alright, so welcome back. Looks like the steamer has gone beep, so let's check and see if they are ready. Just want to poke it, and it is super soft, so I'm going to say yes, they're done. Go ahead and put it. We're going to add, again, 1/4 cup, or based on what you think your consistency should be on. I like to add slowly as I go. The texture consistency that I want. Yes, nice and creamy. So we'll see how many of these jars I wanted to try to do halfway, but I think I made more carrots than I did broccoli. That's okay. I really like the broccoli, so I'm assuming, whoops, making a mess, but that's okay. I'm assuming he'll like the carrot just as much as he'll like the broccoli. Bless you, baby. Ooh. As he makes raspberries in the background. So yeah, again, if it's too thick for your baby, add formula or breast milk or water, whatever it is that your baby's main source is, to make it to the consistency that you would like. And we're all done. What I like about these jars is that they have these really cool tops where you can set the date. So today is the 27th. So we'll know that a month from now, which I highly doubt we'll have any left over a month from now, that's how long it'll last. It should last for about a month. Mommy made broccoli today and carrots. Yay! Do you want to try some? Do you want to try some? What do you think? Okay, it's broccoli. What do you think, Cadence? Is it good? Yay, he likes it. If you like my YouTube video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave a nice comment. Let me know what kind of food you want me to make next. I plan on making more baby food for my baby as well as food for me and my husband. So tune in later. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Cadence.